The CX series from GMC. CX is a family of medium-duty trucks in the 13,000 to 21,200-pound GVW range. This places the CX between the 1-ton light-duty models and the 2 to 2.5-ton C5000, C6000 cab chassis series. Now, this chart shows the GVW range of the 1-ton light-duty models, from 9,000 pounds up to 11,000 pounds for the C3500 cab chassis. On the other end of the scale, there's the C5000 medium-duty that begins at 16,000 pounds GVWR. The C6000 starts at 20,000 pounds. The CX series fills the gap from 13,000 to 21,200 pounds GVWR. It's for jobs that require more payload than the 1-ton can carry, but not requiring the capacity of a 5,000 or 6,000 series. CX comes in two basic configurations: cab chassis for gooseneck tractors and utility bodies, and chassis only for shipment to bodybuilders for walk-in van or transit bus body installations. The CX cab chassis, set up for gooseneck tractor applications, has a GCW rating of 30,000 pounds. Available in a 125-inch wheelbase with an accompanying 60-inch CA, this model features low ground-to-frame height dimensions for easy cab entry and convenient fifth-wheel hookup. Additional cab chassis CX models are available for utility body installations. These units are available in 149-inch or 167-inch wheelbases with accompanying CAs of 84 inches and 102 inches respectively. Designed for 9 to 14-foot body lengths, CX utility models feature low step height and easy body access. CX models of the chassis-only variety differ from their cab chassis counterparts in two important ways. Not only is the cab body sheet metal deleted, but all controls and instrumentation are moved forward to the center line of the front axle to maximize body floor space. Several forward-controlled commercial chassis CX models are available from GMC in 137, 167, 179, and 203-inch wheelbases. These models will accommodate walk-in bodies from 14 to 20 feet in length. As with all CX models previously discussed, the forward-controlled commercial chassis series features low frame height and excellent availability of medium-duty gas and mid-range diesel power. GMC has one additional chassis-only CX model, which is for use in the small transit bus market. This model is similar in design to the forward-controlled commercial chassis, with the exception of the steering column angle, which places the wheel in more of a bus-type plane. The transit bus chassis is available in 167, 179, and 189-inch wheelbases, with drivetrain availability limited to the 8.2-liter Detroit diesel and the Allison AT545 5-speed automatic. The entire CX series has some important similarities to 1-ton light duties. For ease of entry, the CX also has a 72-inch and 102-inch CA dimension, just like the 1-ton cab chassis, and the same loaded rear frame height as the lighter capacity 1-ton truck. But unlike the light-duty 1-ton, CX gas models have a 5,000-pound I-beam front axle with multi-leaf springs and kingpin bushings instead of a 3,800 to 4,000-pound coil spring independent front suspension with ball joints. Diesel models come with a standard 7,000-pound front axle. Unlike some light-duty models, the CX has a straight tapered frame, which makes body installation much cleaner since wooden filler strips between the body and the frame are not mandated. Dimensionally, the CX has a 96 3/4-inch BBC dimension, while the light-duty has a 110-inch BBC. The CA dimension on the CX is enlarged to accommodate longer bodies for more payload capacity. In the CX series, true mid-range power plants are available, and they're coupled to medium-duty drivetrain componentry. First, there's the 4.8-liter gasoline 6, coupled to a 4-speed manual transmission with a 13,500-pound rear axle. Next, there's the 5.7-liter gasoline V8 with 4-speed manual transmission and 13,500-pound rear axle. Then there's the 6-liter gasoline V8 with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear axles from 13,500 to 15,000 pounds. Besides gasoline engines, the CX offers the optional fuel-efficient 8.2-liter diesel. This 90-degree 4-cycle V8 diesel has a displacement of 500 cubic inches and utilizes a unit injector to perform the functions of metering, timing, pressurizing, and atomizing the fuel. Diesels eliminate the need for carburetors and electrical ignition systems and can provide impressive fuel economy. Both the light-duty 1-ton and the medium-duty CX offer a 5.7-liter, 350-cubic-inch gasoline engine. But these engines are not identical. The CX power plant is designed for medium-duty truck application and possesses design features consistent with higher GVWRs. The CX features 4-bolt main bearing caps compared to the light-duty's 2-bolt design. The CX's crankshaft is made of forged steel. The light-duty 5.7-liter is cast nodular iron. So, while both power plants share the same displacement, the CX's medium-duty 5.7-liter has received some additional attention in some important design areas. A comparison of the CX to the C5000, C6000 series shows that the CX shares the same frame wheelbases and reinforcements of the big mediums, and it shares the same powertrain combinations. But unlike the C5000 and the C6000 series, CX gas models have softer spring rates for an impressive ride. The smaller tires and front axle spacers give it a 4-inch shorter frame height than the C5000. This makes everything above the rail just a little more accessible. CX cab chassis tractors for gooseneck trailers can fit the bill for beverage, livestock, racing, and construction industries, or any other jobs where a gooseneck trailer is used. CX cab chassis utility models with a longer wheelbase than the gooseneck tractors can accommodate dump, wrecker, car hauling, or stake bodies. The CX forward control commercial chassis can be found in many vocational applications, such as magazine and news distributors, wholesale bakeries, tool suppliers, linen suppliers, and truck rental services. Finally, the CX small transit bus model can be found around airports where car rental agencies and hotels shuttle people to and from terminals. Ordering a CX is a simple matter. Just decide which vocation the CX is to be used in and then look it up in the special section of the GMC Easy Spec Data Book. There are 24 CX Easy Specs in all, enough to fit most applications in the CX's 13,000 to 21,200 pound GVW range. CX, found in any light-medium applications needing more payload than a 1-ton light-duty offers, but not requiring the excess payload capacity of the C5000 and C6000 cab chassis. CX, a versatile, hard-working truck from GMC.